Got a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head.
And of course, good morning everyone! Again, this is Kat. And for today's vlog guys, I'm going to feature you kung anong laman ng 500,000 na furnishing here at Short Residences. Come in! Let's go here! And guys, before we start the vlog, I would like to say na, anong tawag nun? Happy Mother's Day! Pati sa'yo na din, Happy Mother's Day. And of course, kay Ma'am Jen, and of course, to her mother, Happy Mother's Day. And of course, to my mom and mother, Happy Mother's Day. Sa mga ulirang ina, ayan, Happy Mother's Day. And of course, wala talagang makakapantay sa pagmamahal ng isang ina. No matter, kahit sino ka pang anak, tanggap ka nila kasi napaka-unconditional love na binibigay ng mga natin, mga mother natin. Lalo na yung mga mother kasi hindi naman the father of the son. Kidding aside everyone, and let's actually see kung ano yung laman ng 500,000 na furnishing here at Short Residence. Okay, Ma'am Jen! Hi, Ma'am! Actually, nandito si Ma'am prior to flight niya going back to UK. And hopefully, Ma'am, I can see you in UK. Malay mo naman. Magiging mo na ng gala ko next time. So, pwede na ako pupunta sa UK. Kaso, medyo malaya to yung UK. So, baka nga may abutan ako ng madaling araw, kakalipad. And kidding aside everyone, let's start in the kitchen and bath. In the kitchen, guys. And upon entering, if you will notice, guys, I have here the backslash. The backslash is white because the granite here, the countertop, is a black color. But if you want some black, kasi unit owner na iba, gusto din nila ng black to complement this one, you have to add at least LED at the top para malinaw siya. Kasi if you add here a black and black also here, hindi na malinaw yung backslash, guys. See, I have to add an LED here at the kitchen area, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. And finally, guys, this one is finished na. I told kay Mom na dapat hindi natin masyado madaliin para just perfect. Ayan. Kasi walang kapintasan same as me. Sa toilet and bath naman tayo, guys. Go here. Ayan. Ayan. For the toilet and bath, guys, I have here the overhead cabinet. And since this one is a long-term rent, you have to provide a washing machine. Ayan. For those na gusto nila ng daily din, much better if you keep this way na may washing machine. Kasi pag daily kasi normally, ina-adjust nila dito papunta yung yung lavatory or this sink. So, pag nilo-long term nila guys, hindi na masyado nare-rent kasi gusto talaga ng tenant may washing machine sa long term. So pag daily, make sure na meron ka pa ng sa washing machine area. Ayan. Pero depende na lang sa'yo kung decision ka. And this one is tempered glass na in shower enclosure. And I have the shower heater for the toilet and bath. And this space kasi is very limited. We only have this kind of furnitures inside the toilet and bath. Kasi hindi na siya pwedeng bigyan ng napakadami guys. Kasi maliit lang yung space. And this one kasi very useful siya. Kasi tingnan nyo, lagay ng mga towel, mga toiletries. Ayan, mga lagay kung ano-ano, mga tissue. Yan ang dapat sa toilet and bath guys. And let's move on. Let's go here sa favorite part ko guys. Ayan. Ito yung favorite part of the unit guys. First, we have here the dining area. What I have here is the 2 doors na Econavi na inverter na Panasonic, guys. What the good thing about 2 doors, hindi mo na kailangan i-open buo pag kukuha ka lang sa freezer or dito sa baba. Kasi yung mga 1 door, huwag kayo mag-1 door, ano yung bagong furnish or pang mayaman na furnishing nyo. Huwag kayo mag-1 door kasi nakaka-majirap. And of course, I have here the microwave holder. And if you notice guys, see, this is actually close to the color of the built-in na cabinet here at the kitchen area. This one is deliverables by the SMDC. So, close ko lang siya. So, what I have idea here is parang close to wood. Wood yung tema ko, guys. So, let's go here. I have here the 2 doors na dining. Dining table. Ayan, ang ganda nito. And see the space. Very yung customize namin ang space dito. Everything in here walang tapon. So, I have here the drawer. Ayan. And I have the chairs. And see, ito yung customized nito pa. Diba? Hindi nakain yung space for this area. So, meron pa rin siya ng space for here. Ayan. So, titingnan mo siya, guys. Lahat ng every space is na-save natin, guys. Dapat yung talaga ang yung mindset nyo. Kasi this one is not so big. And ang layout ng short tree is masyadong pahaba. So you don't have to add so bulky na mga gamit inside the unit. Kay Ma'am Jen, ayan, kay Ma'am Jen. Thank you so much, Ma'am, sa anong tawag dito sa pera nila? Ano bang tawag dito sa pera nila? Euro. Ayan, may ko, manit owner, bibigyan tayong euro. Yung iba, puro problema, puro sakit ng ulo. Sa manit owner naman, huwag kayong puro problema. Bigyan nyo sa akin, sampalin nyo ako ng euro. And of course, this one, I just come with the idea that I have to add here something in a wood. Kasi wood yung tema natin, guys. Huwag natin lumayo, tayong touch the color. So what I have here, this is the kitchen kasi. Tignan mo siya, parang siyang plato. Pero hindi ko talaga alam. Medyo artistic lang. Aesthetic pala. Medyo aesthetic na medyo magpagkano. Ayan, ang ganda nito. So, I have the idea that I have to add here for the dining area, guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya. And aside from that, ang ganda ng pakagawa natin for this unit, guys. Normally talaga minsan, nasasaktuhan din na mabait ang owner. Maganda din yung pakagawa natin kasi mabait yung owner. Pero kung may masabi na yung owner, kung parang hindi tayo maganda magkakagawa. Nasasaktuhan din talaga. So may owner na naman, huwag kayo mag-send sa akin ng kamag-anak nyo na hindi na maganda. Attitude pa. Pag hindi masyado kagandahan, ano kung attitude? Hindi bagay sa character, be. And let's go here. This is the living area, guys. What I have here is I have the full-size mirror, guys. Ayan. It will make your unit more bigger. Illusion siya to make the unit more bigger. And this one is actually good. Kasi ito yung batayan ng pagiging mayaman. Dapat naka full-size mirror ka, guys. At nakikita mo yung kagandahan ko pa. Diba? Disney princess. Ayan. And of course, I have the drop ceiling in here. You have to actually invest a good light in your unit, guys. Kasi it will make your unit more beautiful and more luxurious. Kasi kailangan talaga yung ng pailaw inside the unit. And for this area, because this one is a pail, so I decided to have this kind of frame. Although this one a bit expensive, but I think this one I bought this one 7,000 something. Ayan, guys, ang ganda din nito. Ayan. So, this area, you can also add a shoebox. Or you can just add something in here. Depende na lang sa tenant. So usually, huwag kayong desisyon kung anong gustong ilagay ng tenant. At least they have the space para sa mga gamit nilang iba. Ayan, let's go here. And this is the sofa. Of course, this one is 3-seaters, guys, na sofa. And I love it. And hindi siya yung lumulubog once na umupo ka. Intact pa rin yung foam ng sofa, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda nito. I love it. And see, the color is complement with each other, guys. Kaya nga sa mga nag-i-interior or sa mga nagagawa ng mga furnishing, you have to complement each other. I mean, the things inside yun, kailangan mo i-complement yung color. Magayong iba yung gray yung sofa. Eh, maganda to kasi ito wood naman to. Ah, charing just lang. And this one is a home entertainment. And the backstory of this home entertainment is actually, home entertainment supposed dapat magkaiba. Kung ako lang yung mag-decision ha, gusto ko magkaiba yung mga home entertainment, each unit. But sometimes kasi, yung unit owner kasi gusto nilang gayahin yung design ko, then it's okay. Kasi I keep telling to my unit owner, if you want a furnishing, then much better if you have the idea or get a idea from my YouTube or from my post in my Facebook page para sa hindi tayo matagalan. Kasi pag isa-isahin ko sa inyo namang gusto, it will take time and I don't have so much time, I'm sorry. So, let's see here. Ayan. So, this is wood. And I have here that TV. And now the TV, hindi nakita yung wire. Wala siyang chismis. Unlike before, na perfect natin yung TV ngayon, di ba? And see, hanggang dito yung floated. Ang haba niya. And then, in fairness naman to Uzi, kudos to Uzi kasi siya ng idea na ganito. Minsan naloloka na lang sabi ng mga worker, ma'am kasi sabi ni Uzi, talaga Uzi. And this is actually, I know, yung view niya is amenity view. But for now, the amenity is not yet open. Let's see here. Let's go here. Ayan. Let's go here. Ayan, that is the amenity of Shore 3, Tower 3 and 4. And the good thing about it, malaki yung amenity ng 3 and 4 compared than 1 and 2. Ah, sorry. Hindi ko naman sinasiraan. Pero yung open ngayon is 1 and 2. Let's go inside na. Let's go there. Ayan. And let's go to bedroom area, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much naman sa bigay ko ko kay Mrs. Wu. And happy Mother's Day. And since this one is family suites, di alam niyo na. May butas here. Ayan. Hindi ka tulad nung last time kasi hindi ko mag-gets sa unit owner. May butas doon sa unit. Eh, family suites eh. Ano naghahanap sa unit ka, be? Ayan. And you know what, ha? Iwasan nyo yung mga tao na puro reklamo sa buhay, hindi yun ibibless. At hindi yung mga tao na hindi maganda kausap, iwasan nyo. Kasi at the end of the day, puro yan reklamo, hindi nila ma-appreciate yung mga bagay-bagay. So much better, samahan nyo yung mga nakaka-appreciate sa buhay, kahit maliliit na bagay, ma-appreciate ng tao. Kasi in the long run, may-bless ka nan. And aside from that, magaan kasama at magaan ka transaction. Let's go here na. Ayan, malamig. Ayan, so this is the bedroom area. And for this one, my gosh, medyo na perfect natin this one. I'm not saying that we are perfect. Of course, the bad is perfect. But, if may mga concern naman sa unit owner, we are always here to address those concern. So normally, wag kayo mag-agaw buhay kung concern kayo kasi pwede namin i-address right away. Andito naman kami except for weekend kasi bawal ang gawa ng weekend and we have to have a schedule para maayos ng mga boys ko. Ayan. Kasi yung ibang yung minsan sa unit owner, nag-agaw buhay agad. Don't forget that you can always ask in a good way. Kasi kung pangit yung deliver mo, hindi maganda, parang you're wasting my time for that. And aside from them, masyado naman tayo naka-attach or masyado tayo nabigay ng responsable naman tayo sa paggawa natin. So lahat naman maa-address. So you don't have to agaw buhay. My gosh, hindi nakaka-first at hindi nakamayaman. Ano pag hindi masyado maganda, huwag mo masyado mag-agaw buhay kasi hindi nakaka-pretty para kang replicant. And this is the bedroom area, guys. What I have here is the built-in wardrobe cabinet. And this one, I have a drawer in here. Ayan. See? And it has also a cabinet down there. And you can add something in here because I left this space open for you able to, halimbawa gusto mo mag-alarm clock dito dahil ingitera ka, gagayahin mo din iba sa pelikula na may alarm clock. May dito, may ka dito, ang tawag nito, may laptop ka dito, or whatsoever that you want to add here, much better. And you know what? I add some pin light down there. And you know what? In making the interior, what makes the interior more expensive because you cannot just put a cabinet in here. You cannot just put a pin light in there. But you have to ask for the assistant of the technician. And of course, they are a skilled person. So, hindi mo kayang bilhin yung nila. So, dahil skilled sila, and they have to do it in a good way. Kasi pag hindi yan tama, sasabog yan. So, huwag kayong, yung mga unit owner naman, huwag naman siyang super tawad sa mga interior, sa mga ganito. Tapos gusto nila very quality. Samantala super tawad, wala namang budget. Most usually, especially pa yung hindi mga mayaman, yung talaga yung super attitude. Tapos kung kayo super attitude, kung kayo masyadong mayaman, bahala kayo, iba yung kukuha sa inyo, hindi sa San Pedro. Sabi ni Ma'am Jen, kami ng mga agent ko, Ma'am Jen, bait-baitan lang tayo dito. And this is, actually, this is the idea before of my unit owner, kay Ma'am Jocelyn. Gusto niya meron dito na cabinet. Then, di ba, we told Ma'am Jocelyn before na pangit yung cabinet pag meron din, hindi niya kamayaman. But see, we did it here. Ang ganda naman pala, oh my God. Sorry na, Ma'am. Eto, ang ganda pala pag may cabinet din sa taas. In various, and we did it very good. For now, my gosh, kay Kuya Jaime, thank you so much. And of course, sa Yunlin, ayan, thank you so much sa mga kasi si Kuya Jaime mamaya magpapahingi naman yung Alfonso. And of course, you have to, at least joyful lang, or my gosh, dapat magaan ka kasama sa buhay para at least hindi, yung parang hindi mabigat. Dapat life is not so complex, so wag mong gawing komplikado mga bagay-bagay. And you can always ask nga in a good way. Lagi ko sinasabi yan kasi, may gosh, wala namang mapuputan yung agaw buhay. At ito meron frames dito. Yung vlog ko parang hindi na to, condo tour vlog, parang puro na to. This is the frames guys, wood din siya. Pakita mo Mrs. Wu, yan, wood. Ang ganda ng paka-frames ko dito. And it has an LED at the top of the headboard of my bed. And see, the bed is beautiful. Ang ganda ng bed. And this one is queen size bed. And don't forget that you don't have to add in bulky frame of bed. Kasi dapat sakto lang yung size para hindi kainin ng frames ng bed yung space. Kasi yung iba, hindi nakakasakto yung queen size kasi malaki yung frame. So normally yun, full size lang nalalagay nila. And it has a drawer in here. Ayan, ang ganda. And may comment na ako dito sa gusto talaga mga pull out. Huwag kayong malagyan ng pull out talaga ng bed kasi hindi nakakapangmayama. Huwag nyo naman masyadong gawing kasi the condo is only 4 packs lang yung allowed. So if you add something pull out in here, hindi na masyadong maganda. For me lang pero kung gusto mo talaga, di pilit natin. And I have LED lights in here. And I can see some of the agent, they're doing also vlog, or some of the agent, they're doing renovation. Paulit-ulit yung ilaw. Dapat mag-innovate kayo guys sa ilaw. Lalo yung mga unit owner. Huwag kayong paulit-ulit sa ilaw na yung before, ganun gagayahin. Hindi, pa iba-iba dapat guys. So, para unique at mas maganda, mag-innovate tayo. Hindi yung dati na, huwag ganon. Mag-innovate tayo sa mga pailaw. And the aircon must be placed in here. Although, medyo madugo lang pag nilagay yung aircon dito. That's why, iba yung price ng Suites B kaysa Suites A. Kasi yung Suites A, it's very, it's very easy to put an aircon, but in Suites B, see, I'll show you very quick. Let's go here. Pag Suites B kasi guys, ang tubo niya from there hanggang dito. So minsan, Diyos ko, pawis na pawis yung itlog na nag-install ng mga ng aircon pag Suites B. So alam mo yung isa pang unit owner sabi niya, hindi niyo man lang pinatay yung yung aircon. Hindi kayo naawa sa unit owner, nagbabay ng electric. Sabi ko, my gosh, hindi kayo naawa sa worker. Maging tao tayo at don't forget magpakatao. Huwag kayong masyadong sa mga salapi, sa mga kasi Diyos ko, kung papanaw din tayo, hindi tayo immortal be. Kaya be good here sa lupa. Oh my gosh. So ano bang today's advice ko? Happy Mother's Day everyone ha. So wala siguro akong masyadong today's advice. Or yung today's advice ko lang, eto makinig yung mga tao sa today's advice ko. Normally kasi, yung mga tao lalo sa probinsya, pag walang trabaho, na-fix nila yung pera nila, nakakakain sila, naayos nila yung buhay nila. Pero pag nagkaroon ng trabaho, ayun na. Mangungutang everywhere, makangutang everywhere. So, yung pera nila, na isasahod nila, pangbayad lang. And one thing na toxic sa tao lagi sila nangungutang without thinking kung paano sila magbabayad. Dun sa mga, lalo sa mga kamag-anak natin or dun sa mga taga-probinsya, yun. Nung walang trabaho, napakakasya nila yung pera. Nung may trabaho na, doon, utang everywhere, hindi makabayad sa mga dapat, isipin mo natin kung paano tayo magbayad. Diyos ko, kalongan. Sa kamag-anak natin, nakapit-bahay na aswang. That's for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And happy weekend. And don't forget, you are blessed and you are kind. Bye-bye. Thank you.
What you think? now, don't